Older we are, better we deliver. Challenges will always be there. Focus on end goal and let your passion drive you. That's how I fulfilled one of the most complex customer requirements of multi-band 5G ORN radio. People just started hearing about 5G, and there was an assignment I had to create. It was a make or break moment for me because I had to prove myself. If reference products are available or some reference designs are available, it's much easier to start with. It's the baseline. Here in this particular assignment, we did not have baseline as this was happening first time, especially in India. We wanted people, we wanted process, we wanted competence, we wanted time, and there was a crunch of everything. We start exploring the ecosystem in India, and we explored at least 150 startups in India. We personally visited them, they visited us, we had hangout calls, we had Zoom calls, long multiple calls, and then try to understand what they are doing, what is their strength, what we want to do, how they can complement us. And every day I was exploring each of the potential engineering partner, and those would be my extended brains. Now, the second biggest challenge was standardization in the Open RAN itself was not finalized. Customer requirements also keep changing. I wanted to create a platform which is universal in nature, which I can use to offer solutions to multiple customers of mine. So we opted for the FPGA based architecture. When we started designing the product, there were some challenges in front of me, how to do better optimization of FPGA resources. If someone picks your finger and you take your first few steps, that help itself is good enough. And there was some blessing. Dr. Badri, he has been working in the semiconductor silicon industry for long. And there is another person in my team, Nitesh Kumar. Nitesh and Dr. Badri, we used to discuss on every fundamental question which can come across us. There was one event when I wanted to do something on MATLAB. And Badri said, oh, I have MATLAB in my laptop. I can run simulation for you, right? That was kind of the team working we had. And then there is another fellow. I mean, without him, this could not have been a success, Rajesh Gangadhar. And Rajesh is a scout. He's a true scout. When we were all trying to navigating through this, and he was guiding us. We all were working as a team. And that was a great example of thinking and achieving together. My inspiration during this part of the journey was primarily my courage and confidence on collective learning abilities of the team. There is a Hindi dialogue, हम यदि निर्भय होंगे तो शेर को भी जीत के पाल सकते हैं. Be courageous, move. Don't be stagnant. Do something. Take a decision. Move ahead. I was not a product person. And today I create product roadmap, product architecture, product specifications for STL wireless products. I came with this vision of creating our own hardware solutions and started this product journey. Convinced the management, and it was my passion that led me to achieve the impossible.